How to disable YouTube search on YouTube. Let's get started. So, first thing first, you have to note that there is no official settings to turn off search completely. But there is a simple workaround. Open up YouTube application, log into your account. Once logged in, you can simply locate the search. After that, you can simply tap on this three-dot icon, then select Show Fewer Shorts. And just like that, your video will disappear instantly. If you want this to happen to each short, you can simply tap on this little icon of that short, then select Not Interested. After that, that video will disappear instantly. You have to repeat this process for all the shorts. And just like that, you can simply refresh your YouTube home screen. And that's it. Once you mark all of them as not interested, the search section will disappear from your feed. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.